Claim: has Italy withdrawn from Paris Agreement on climate? Fact check. The claim is going viral on social media. Various posts have flooded social media claiming that Italy is no longer a part of the Paris Agreement, a global climate change treaty signed in 2015. Many ex-users took to social media to make the claim on 9 July 2025. Posting the photo of the Prime Minister of Italy, Giorgia Meloni, the post was captioned after the United States, Italy is withdrawing from the Paris Climate Agreement. The post gained nearly 3,380 views. Another user on Instagram shared a similar claim, gaining over 16,500 likes. The post read, "Breaking news. Italy to withdraw from Paris Climate Agreement following US lead." Find the link to the post here. Fact check. Truth, false. There is no credible information to suggest that Italy has left the Paris Agreement. Fact check details. The Paris Agreement, adopted on 12 December 2015, during the UN Climate Change Conference, COP21, aims to limit global warming to below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels, with efforts to cap it at 1.5 degrees Celsius. Digit India conducted a real-time search on the web to identify credible news reports and official statements regarding Italy's status in the Paris Agreement. We came across a report in news outlet Euronews which confirms Italy is still part of the Paris Climate Agreement. Find the link to the report by Euronews here. Our team took a look at the recent actions by Italy, the United States of America and India pertaining to the Paris Agreement. Here are the recent updates for Italy that showcase its date of signature on 22 April 2016 and date of ratification on 11 November 2016. The signature of the Paris Agreement by countries signifies their initial commitment to the treaty and its goals, which include reducing greenhouse gas emissions and adapting to the impacts of climate change. Ratification in Article XXVII 7D of the Paris Agreement refers to the formal legal act by a country to express its consent to be bound by the terms of the agreement. On checking the treaty reference XXVII 7D, Paris Agreement, only the United States of America filed for its withdrawal here. There is no mention of Italy withdrawing from the agreement. Find the image of this below. Here is an image for all the actions of the United States of America leading up to its withdrawal in 2025. Additionally, here are the actions for India showcasing its date of signature on 22 April 2016 and date of ratification on 2 October 2016. There are no official records or statements on any official government website of Italy announcing its withdrawal from the Paris Agreement. Italy remains a signatory and active participant, with no official indications of withdrawal. Thus, the claim is false. Claim: Italy has withdrawn from the Paris Agreement on climate. Conclusion: false. There is no credible information to suggest that Italy has left the Paris Agreement. Rating: false. The claim is false. Thank you for visiting us, digiti.in. Subscribe to our channel, Digit India.